In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to download files you've personally uploaded to Wix. Whether you're dealing with images, documents, or videos, we'll walk through the process together in a straightforward and easy manner. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com where you can easily sign in with your credentials. Make sure to have your login information ready as this will help streamline the entire process. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your account's main dashboard. Now it's time to open your site dashboard. You might have several sites under your Wix account, especially if you manage multiple projects or businesses. From here, select the specific site that you want to work on. This is where you have the files you've previously uploaded and from which you want to download. Next, we need to head over to the Media Manager. You'll find this by navigating to the left panel of your site editor. There you should see an option labeled Media. Click on it and this will take you to a comprehensive library containing all your uploaded files. Here you can find everything: images, documents, videos, each presented in a nicely organized manner. Now that you're in the Media Manager, it's time to locate the specific files you want to download. You'll see your files displayed neatly, often with thumbnails for quick identification. Hover over the particular image, document, or video you're interested in. As you do this, you'll notice a small menu icon represented by 3 dots appearing in the corner. This is the key to downloading your file. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots menu. A small drop-down list will emerge with several options. One of these options is download. Click on download, and just like that, your file will start downloading directly to your computer. The files will typically be saved to your downloads folder, unless you've specified a different destination in your browser settings. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded files from your Wix site. Repeat the process if you have more files you want to download. It's a user-friendly feature that ensures you always have easy access to your important content. Remember, if you ever run into any issues, revisiting these steps might just help clear things up. I hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.